So in this video we have a sculpt. I would have spent longer on it, but I'm just trying to move it as quickly as possible. So I'm just going to show you how to do the next area. So what I'm going to do is get out of that mode. I'm going to select the model, and then I'm going to go over here and in the channel box and click on the ball and paper here. We're going to rename this one, and we're just going to call it head. We'll call it head sculpt, actually. It's probably a better name. Sculpt. Okay, save. Boom. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the modeling tool set, right? So this is channel box, tool settings. We don't really need that. Attribute editor, and the modeling toolkit. Okay. So we're going to use the modeling toolkit, and we're going to use quad draw. Before I can bother doing that, what I have to do is I have to make this surface live. Okay. So if you look up here, you may have noticed that sometimes we hit like V, which is point snap. So you can turn it on. You can just click on that, and everything's always going to be point snapped. But when we hold V, if I just tap the button, you can see it actually highlights C, curve snap, and then there's X, grid snap. But we're actually going to have this selected, and if you push this one, it makes that surface live, which is called PQ1. Well, I can't select it anymore. But now this is a live surface, which basically means that whatever I do, it tries to snap to this. So I'm going to go to the quad draw tool. I'm going to select that. I'm going to go up to the top here, and yeah, we're going to leave it like that. It's fine. All right. And I'm going to start working on this. Now, again, I want to work on 8s. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the peaks, right? So this is the tear duct, or the caruncula of the eyeball, or the eyelid. So I'm going to click there, all right? And then I'm going to go to where the peak is of the top of the eye. So here and here, we'll say. And then I'm going to go to the outside of the eye, there and there, and here and here. Okay, so I got those, but I want to do 8. That only gives me 4 faces. Like if I hold shift, well, it's not even giving it to me, but so I'm going to go here and here. I'm going to go halfway between here and here, here and here, here and here. Now if I hold shift, you can see when you hold it down, it gives you the face. So you hold shift and you click, new face, 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 face. I'm holding shift the entire time. Boom, boom. All right, so I just drew the eye around. All right, so now I'm going to do another one. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm just going to hold shift and go right around like so. Okay, and when you hover over the little the red, you can actually move these points. So I'm looking at this and it looks a little bit off. It's not quite halfway. I did a poor job. All right, so something like that. That's fine. So now I'm going to do another section here. Boom, boom. Go like that. And I'm going to go ahead and go like this and this. Like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and go boom and boom. Boom, boom. And we'll go ahead and let me see. Where's this one? We can do another one. Boom, boom. And we'll go here to here. Put a face there. And I'm going to go here and here. Boom. And boom. Actually, we're going to do this. So I'm going to put a face there to there. And let's just pull this around. I got to make this nose here. So I'm going to go like that. Go around. And then I'm going to go here and here. Make a face. And then here and here. Make a face. So I'm going to turn this, I'm going to go to the channel box here. I'm going to turn this off for a second so you can see what we got. So I just drew it around like that, okay? So you can see that kind of makes a nose. And when I hold shift, I can go there, all right? Now I just want to show you this too. If you don't actually, you can turn that off while you're working. If you find it annoying, it actually will still work. So I'm going to boom, boom, boom. I'm holding shift, remember, in order to do that. So I basically have, if I hit 3, you can kind of see it here. I basically have this little mask part, okay? I'm going to turn this back on. I'm going to do the mouth next. I'm actually going to leave that alone and do the mouth. So, boom to boom. And then I'm going to go to the crease and then to the center. So, boom, and we'll say boom. All right? That doesn't quite work. I need to put, let's put you a little more here. One's halfway between. So, boom and boom. And boom, and boom. And then I'm just going to fill these in. Boom, and boom, boom, and boom. Just to give you an idea what that looks like. That's what I just did. And in fact, I'm going to pull this down a little bit, pull that one down a little bit, make it look a little bit more like a mouth. Now I'm only doing this part because you can see it's 4 faces, just like this one's 8, so the other 4 will be on this side. So eventually you take it and you flip it, okay? Alright, and actually I'm going to turn that off while I do this next part. So I'm going to go boom, 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 and boom. I'm going to hold shift, boom, boom. Nope, not that. Yeah, boom, and boom. That looks satisfactory. Let's go ahead and connect those. And then we'll go ahead and I guess I'll do one here. There we go. Like so. And let's say here, I guess. Pull that down. And then, let's see. We're going to need one here and here. Let's turn this back on. So I'm going to put this right where the apex of the chin is, roughly. So we'll say we'll put one here. And we'll put one there. Turn this back off for a second. Alright. And it'd be nice to connect these. Now I just want to show you this. So if I pull this up and I pull this one down, they'll actually snap. See? So now they're actually snapped together, which is nice. Alright. Put one here, shift. Put one there. Oops, there, shift. And we'll put one here. So we'll just go all the way across. Boom. Alright. So we got sort of a front face part, which is adequate at the moment. So I'll go ahead and turn this back on, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw around the back, and then we'll come across, okay? So I'm just going to add one here and here. Boom. Here and here. Boom. Here and here. Boom. So I'm holding, so I click, click, shift. Okay? Click, click, shift. Just going to get behind. So click, click, shift. And I don't know if this is the right number. I'm just kind of guessing. Your person's head's probably going to be different. So we'll say that's fine. Alright. So now what I'm going to do is just start drawing a panel across. So just get an idea. I went all the way around like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and basically try to draw a panel to the other side from this side. Okay. Alright. So we're going to go doinky, doinky, boom. Doinky, boom, boom, and we'll do another one here, boom, and let's just adjust this a little bit. Alright, okay, so let's do another one, doink, doink, boom, doink, boom, doink, boom, doink, boom. Alright, so now I got this ear, and that kind of stinks, so we're going to try and figure this out. We'll do this in the most simple way I can possibly think of. So, I am going to picture it being inside something like this. So there's a face here, face here, face here, here, and here. Okay? You can kind of see how that is. So that's the inside of my ear, we're going to say. Most basic kind of ear shape. And then we're going to use that as more or less a guide for the rest of it. So I'm going to go boom to boom. And then doom. Okay? And then boom, boom, click, boom, click, boom, click, boom. And let me turn this off so I can see what I got. Alright. And let's see. Like that. Alright. So more or less I got this kind of shape. And I need to connect this out here. So I'm just going to hold shift and shift. And that's somewhat reasonable. Alright. Now, that's okay. It sort of looks ear shaped and it's sort of going in there. Now if I hold shift, you can see I can make this fit and I could make this one fit. But I don't want to do that because the problem is this ear should have a back part to it, and it's not really going to work for me in that regard. So I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to draw one here and hold shift and here. Eek. Let's see if we can get that to work. Boom. For the inner part of the ear. Boom. Boom. And then we'll do one here. Boom. Alright. Now let's go ahead and turn that on, and I'm just going to readjust these to make sure that they are indeed working. Come on. Alright, that one's being weird. Alright, I'll just do it this way. And I'll pull this one. That one's a little tight. Oh, that ain't right. Okay, we'll leave that one like that for now. Alright, okay. Now what we're going to do is, if you realize, we do not have enough geometry to support this, how thin this is, and that isn't. So I'm actually going to take this, I'm going to snap that one down. I'm actually not going to do that. We're going to do this. Pull this one up a little bit. I'm going to take this guy, pull this one down, and we're going to actually put a space here, which is a little bit different. Yeah, and then I'm going to take this guy and put him up there like that. And then right here, if I hold control, oops, actually I'm going to do that, sorry. I thought I did do that. I guess I didn't. I'm going to hold control, and what's going to do is it's going to draw an edge loop. So I'm going to hold control, click, and it gives me an extra edge loop to work with. And what you'll notice is that where there was a tri is now a quad. Yay! And then I can take these and further kind of pull these in to further form the ear here. Okay. All right. And then we'll draw one here, and we'll put one here. We'll pull this down a little bit, like that. And that's a try, so that's a problem. If I hold Control and Shift, I can delete this. Of course, that's a problem because I'm going to hold Control and Shift to delete this whole face. Put one here, boom. So we'll put that there, there we go. Alright, and here, good, and then we'll go boom, and boom, boom, boom. And I'm just working my way across. Come on. Boom, and doinky, doinky. Alright, and then these guys have to go all the way across. So I'm just going to do 3, 4, 5. Boom, 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 boom. And you can see I don't have enough, right? So I have more or less 2 where there should be 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to hold Control, and we'll go boink. And I'm going to hold Shift. And we can take this one, pull this one up a little bit. Hold Shift, and then hold Control. And hold Shift. Shift, boom. Alright, went right across. That looks pretty good. These look kind of thin, so I'm going to hold Control and put one there. And I'm going to go ahead, and if you hold Shift while you click, you can actually relax it. So I'm going to relax this a little bit, kind of spread those out. Alright, and we'll relax this overall a little bit better later. Okay, so that looks pretty decent. I'm going to click, and click, and click, 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 click. And I'm going to hold Shift. Holding Shift this entire time. And you can see there's a bit more geometry there than I'd like. Boom. And then we'll put one here. Boom. And I'll hold Control. And boom. Alright. So that's almost the full thing. Let's go hold Control. And we're going to go boom, boom, and do one more across. Boom. Okay. Hold Shift. Hold Shift. Hold Shift, hold, not that one. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. And now what I need to do is I'm going to hold Shift and kind of smooth that out. And we'll move these, spread these a little. Okay. And I'm going to try and draw these across. So this is basically the halfway mark. So I'm going to hold Control, go here. And I'm going to go like this. And then we'll do this one like this. I'm going to hold Control to put one in there. Boom. And boom. And you're going to end up with, oh, it's a quad. So I'm going to leave that one alone for now. So we need to put one more in here. So I'm holding Control. Boom. Try it again. Boom. Hold Control. Boom. Boom. All right. Come on. There we go. Boom. And I'll hold Control. Boom. And come on. This one. So let's see. And we'll hold Control here. And come on. Come on, give it to me. There, okay. I'm hold Control in here. We'll hold Control in here. Boom, and I'm gonna hold Shift to fill in that spot, and I'll hold Shift to put in that spot. And now what I'm gonna do is hold Shift in general and smooth this whole business out. All right. So in the next video, what we're gonna do is basically try to hook this up to the body. Because right now I'm just gonna try. I'm just holding Shift to relax. Because this is we got to make the other half, and I got to like make sure this is the right number of edges in order to go into our body and such. Okay, yours might be different. You're gonna have to kind of just work with what you got. Okay, so because even now, like, this nose is kind of junky. I would want to actually add more geometry, but we'll get into kind of finishing that part up. But we got the base of our head done.